Children, eukaryotic cells means which have new carrion means nucleus. Its literal meaning, that's all. Pro means old, carrion means nucleus. As you have seen the video now, only just now I have shown. Children, this is a cell. This is a cell. Imagine this is a cell. In eukaryotic cell, a well-defined nucleus is present with nuclear membrane. Means nucleus has wall, a well-defined nucleus. Whereas in prokaryotic cells, nucleus is there, but wall is not there, nuclear membrane. So everything, all the components of nucleus will be floating in the cytoplasm. They will be floating in the cytoplasm. Means at one place they won't present. So what you write means well-defined nucleus with nuclear. Please copy down, children, everyone. Membrane, because this question will come inside the exam. Nuclear membrane is present. Okay, well defined nucleus with nuclear membrane. Nucleus is present, but it is floating, children. It is floating, means no one is holding them together. Nuclear membrane is absent. Means nuclear membrane means which nuclear wall is absent. This is the major difference. First, because the name itself, new nucleus means don't think someone kept new nucleus inside. No one kept. New means nucleus with a boundary wall, and nucleus without a boundary wall. Like that. Okay. Next one, children. Second one. So, children, apart from this, the other important differences are here DNA is present and here RNA is present. What is the full form of DNA, you will ask? What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, and here ribonucleic acid is present. Ribonucleic acid. Then you will ask, sir, what is DNA and RNA? DNA and RNA helps in transfer of characters from parents to offspring. Children, inside the nucleus, chromosomes will be there. On the chromosomes, DNA will be there. In the DNA, genes will be there. Okay, so like this, they all help in transfer of characters. You look like your parents means is because of DNA and RNA, and not only that, they also helps in so many other functions of preparation of proteins, other important metabolic activities. They help. So here DNA is present, here RNA is present. Next one, children. And children, there are separate structures in both the cells called as ribosomes. Ribosome main function is protein synthesis. In our body, cells who prepare proteins means ribosomes. Okay, there are two types of ribosomes. In eukaryotes, 80S variety of ribosome is present, and in prokaryotes, 70S type of ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present in both of them because proteins are important, no children. Proteins are on the basis of life. Okay, so 80S means very much complex structure. 70S means old. What is ribosome in detail? I will say, children, that later. Just know the differences now. Okay, children. Now, some more differences, children. Some more differences. I want to discuss some more differences. Then, when I'm discussing some more differences in eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, children, mitochondria is present in eukaryotes. What is the function of mitochondria? It gives energy. It gives energy to the cell. They are called kitchens of the cell. It gives energy, children. Okay, powerhouse of a cell. Sorry, it is called as powerhouse of a cell, not kitchen. Kitchen is a chloroplast. So, mitochondria gives energy. How it gives energy? When I'm discussing mitochondria in detail, I will discuss. Mitochondria gives energy. That is present in eukaryotes. Then, sir, is it absent in prokaryotes? Means not completely absent, children. They are present in older form called as mesosomes. They are called mesosomes. Mitochondria and prokaryotes are called mesosomes, children. Many people will say that they are absent. They are present, children, but older forms of mitochondria are present, children. Okay, and endoplasmic reticulum is present in eukaryotes. It is absent in prokaryotes. They help in cell transport. Children, ribosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, all these are cell organelles. Each one we have to discuss. They have different function. Now, chloroplast is present in eukaryotes, chloroplast, and they are absent in prokaryotes. Okay, children. So, Golgi bodies are present. Golgi bodies are present. They help in packaging and storing of so many things, children. Golgi bodies are present in eukaryotes. They are absent in prokaryotes. You should remember all different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And children, generally, uh, eukaryotics are present in both the multicellular and unicellular, children. Eukaryotes, multicellular organisms also will have, and unicellular organisms also will are present in eukaryotes. But compulsory prokaryotes are single-celled organism, single-celled organism, single-celled organism. Mainly, first only I should say example. Example also one of the different, children. What is an example? Example is very important. Example. What is the example of eukaryote? Children, all cells what you see are eukaryotes only. Most of the cells, except bacteria, blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. Some would have their children, but do you remember, for example, these both differences? Bacteria and blue-green algae. So how many differences I told? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Difference also, examples also one difference. 9. Examples also one difference. All cells are eukaryotes. Bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotic cells. Okay, children. Apart from this, children, okay, eukaryotes can perform sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. Sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. But prokaryotes can perform only asexual mode of reproduction. Only asexual mode. Sexual mode is not possible, children, in this prokaryotes. Okay, so how many I told, children? And generally, eukaryotes are bigger in size. That is not important, but just like. And prokaryotic cells are very small, children. So including example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 differences. At least 10 you should write in exam, children. Okay. I hope you don't have any doubt, children. If you have any doubt, please ask me.